we're gonna copy an angle. First thing you want to do is draw a line with a straight edge, and then take a compass and connect one ray to the other on your first angle. And with that same measurement, you're going to draw an arc like this. Then we want to measure how long this arc is. So you can take it on the angle that you're copying and measure how long exactly it is until from one ray to the other, from one side of your angle to the other. And it needs to be that same exact length on your new one, so you can draw a tick mark there. And then you can take a straight edge and connect from the vertex through the intersection of those tick marks. And you just copied the angle.